You push through everything else in your life. Hard jobs, hard decisions, financial pressure, raising kids, showing up when you didn't feel like it. So when this hit, when you lost her, you did what you always do. You tried to push through it, and it's not working. Not because you're weak, not because something is broken inside you. It's not working because grief doesn't respond to that strategy. I'm Ron Simplified Myers, your uplifting life partner, author, and founder of Simplified Uplifters, TM. This is video 6 in the Rewrite the Story series, in the first video of phase 2, the resistance layer. Today I want to talk about a law, not a philosophy, a law. What you resist persists. I've completed close to 39,000 rides, driving rideshare full time. On the late night runs, men get in, jaw tight, eyes forward, carrying something enormous and refusing to let it move. That weight doesn't go anywhere just because you refuse to look at it. It gets heavier. I also spent 30 years sitting across kitchen tables in people's homes in the financial arena. Men who had managed everything their whole lives. And when grief hit, they applied the same strategy. Work harder, think longer, solve it. Grief didn't yield. It never does. When resistance doesn't move, men start to believe they're broken, that they should be further along, that other people handle this better. None of that is true. You've been applying the wrong tool. Here's what resistance actually does. Every day you spend pushing it away, staying busy, staying numb, staying loud, that costs something. And the thing you're running from doesn't disappear. It waits. It follows. It shows up at 2 a.m. when everything is quiet. The more you resist it, the more space it takes up. Now here's the part nobody told us. You don't have to fall apart to stop resisting. The story men carry is this: if I let it in, it will destroy me. That story is not true. What actually happens is that the moment you stop running from it and simply acknowledge it, something begins to loosen. Not disappear, but move. And there's a difference between weight that's stuck and weight that's in motion. You don't have to understand it. You don't have to explain it to anyone. You just have to stop fighting it. The story keeping men stuck is this one. If I feel it, it means I'm not handling it. That story is backward. Feeling it is how you handle it. You're not broken. Your story is. And stories can change. Today, when the weight shows up, instead of pushing it away, just acknowledge it. Not wallow, not perform. Just, this is here. I see it. I'm not running. That's it. I wrote about this in my book, Rewrite the Story, 1497. Link is in the description. Next time, video 7, we talk about why men are wired to resist in the first place. Stay with me. And most important, remember, you are extraordinary.